I was still asleep, so I slept in a little bit longer. It's 7:40. Let's get ready before he wakes up. So this is a mount for your phone for the car. I used to vlog on this. And then I use it in the bathroom sometimes. And Scott thinks it's hilarious to put his deodorant on it every single morning. Not funny, Scott, not funny. Guys, I have done my skincare and gotten dressed. And I just need to do my hair and put on my sunscreen. Arlo is still asleep. I like to let him sleep for as long as really I can. I wait until like the last minute if I have to wake him up. Most nights I don't, or most mornings I don't have to wake him up. He wakes up by himself, but today doesn't seem like it's gonna be one of those mornings, so we'll see. But good to go with that. Really gotta shake this stuff. Shake it up. Figured I would take you along a morning with me. I'm using a ton of sunscreen lately because it's good for you. So already I'm going to go make my pre-workout, fill Arlo's milk bottle, fill up my bottle, and then we'll go wake up Arlo. Let's do it. Let's go wake up Arlo. It's officially 8 o'clock. Sleep. Really good? Oh, good morning, Bubble. Hi. Want to have some? What's up? Turn off Soundy. Good job. Oh, what's it? It's an elephant. Want to touch him? Yeah, there's an elephant's nose. Your aunt made that for you, Aunt Carolyn. Okay, can you throw your blanket and Papa in the crib? Throw a blanket in there. Good job. Throw Papa in there. Good job. Can you say good morning? Good morning. Hi. All right, let's get you changed. You're not ready for daycare? Want to sing Wheels on the Bus? More what? All right. What do you think? Did you have a good night's sleep? Oh, let's read Wheels on a Bus. Okay, ready? It's okay. Hey. The wheels on the bus go round and round. Hey, what's wrong? I love you. Oh, hands banana kiss, don't care. Oh. Oh. Is that your belly? What's wrong? Do I see your belly button? Hugs. Okay. No, you Give me this arm. What sound does an elephant make? What does it do? What sound does an elephant make? An elephant goes, Mom's got it too. Alright, can you lay down so I can change the diaper? Lay it down so I can change the diapers. It'll be so quick you won't even know what happened to you. Hopefully they stay on the bed. Oh, do you have dinos on your socks today? You do? What sounds do dinos make? Look at those. Are they green? What color is this? I know, the book fell, but it's okay. We'll get it. Alright, let's go get you some milk. Shh. Good, buddy. Alright, we're loaded in, right? Are we loaded in? Are you? What? Are you gonna go see the ball? Okay. Let's go see that ball. Are you excited to go to? I know, you didn't get to say goodbye to Dada. Dada was on a call though, buddy. He couldn't say he couldn't say hi. He waved.
No.
What? Oh no, what? Mama didn't hit anything. Alright, let's go, buddy. Are you ready to go to daycare? Yeah. Alright, it is 8:17. We're getting a little bit late of a start, but that's okay. Arlo had a really good night's sleep because the night before was not the same case. He woke up all night, huh, buddy? So you had a good night's sleep? We're gonna go see the ball. Don't worry. I need to surprise him one day and like actually go and see the ball. But we're running late now and he needs to eat some breakfast. Oh, his sun is bright this morning, huh, Baba? It's not hot. I guess it's kind of warm, but let's go. Hey, Arlo, can you tell me what sound a duck makes? Quack, quack. Can you tell me what sound a cat makes?
Meow.
Meow. What sound does a dog make? Come on, what's... No, oof, oof. What sound does an elephant make? Pew. What sound does a sheep make? Bah, like ba ba. Black sheep, have you any wool? Alright. Let's go. I will see you guys when I'm on my way to the gym. Because I'm going to go drop off Arlo now. Alright, so Arlo's dropped off. I'm on my way to the gym, drinking some pre-workout because Lord knows I need it. But honestly, I got good night's sleep last night. Like I was saying, thank heavens, Arlo slept terrible the night before. So we're doing good, feeling full of energy, feeling good. I thought I would just take you along my morning with me. I don't have a ton that I wanted to get up to. I wanted to run to the grocery store to get some supplies to make my mom's cookies, but I cannot find her recipe and it's going to literally like break my heart if I can't find it. So I think I'm not going to worry about that quite this morning because it might put me into a really bad place. So I'm going to probably look for it later tonight. I thought I knew exactly where it was, but I guess I don't. And so, yeah. Anyway, I was gonna do that, and I was also gonna wash my car, but it is like looking like it might rain today, so I don't really want to wash my car if I'm just gonna get rained on. So I don't know what else we're gonna get up to. I don't even know if we're gonna be able to go for our walk this morning. So it's gonna be a weird morning in my life, but no mornings are ever really the same. But we're gonna start it off with a leg day. And yeah, I'm feeling good about that. Feeling really good. So I will take you along, see what we get up to, enjoy the morning together. All right. It is really warm outside. Just got done my workout, just about an hour. I stretched afterwards. I'm trying to be better about stretching. I'm so bad. I hate stretching, but I've been noticing my knees are kind of achy a little bit from like doing more squats and stuff, and I think it's because I'm tight. And my sciatic nerve really flares up when I'm not stretching. So I feel like if I just tell myself like start with 5 minutes after a workout, I'll gradually build up and go from there. Because I did have a goal of like stretching for 15 to 20 minutes every night, and that just like didn't work. I'm just gonna be honest with you, that I just didn't do it. I hated it. So I think I just need to like build up, like I was talking about the other day in one of my vlogs, that like if you want to make habits, start with something small, make that a habit, and then gradually increase it. I have no idea what this is because I have you on my phone tripod, but you're on my camera. Alright, so I just got done taking a quick body shower and changed into comfy clothes since I'm just going to be chilling around the house today. I don't always get like fully dressed, but I am going to do a little bit of makeup and throw some dry shampoo in my hair. You guys, so that is gonna wrap up my morning routine. It is now noon. I'm going to continue editing a video that has to go live on Friday, and then eat up my breakfast, and then I'm gonna carry on with the rest of my day. Obviously not every morning looks this way. Some mornings are more like work focused right away, and then other days are a little bit more lenient, but I do a lot of my editing and stuff when Arlo goes to bed at night as well, as a side note. But yeah, that's my morning routine. I would like, as a New Year's like goal of mine, is to go to the gym and get ready earlier in the day, so be ready and like cleaned, like put together and everything by 9. That is my goal, but we'll just have to see how that plays out. But for now, this is my morning routine. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, please let me know by giving me a big thumbs up, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, you guys.